Hello! Welcome to the GuideKnight YouTube channel. The quest to find the best carry-on luggage shouldn't be as onerous as the quest to find the perfect vacation destination. Instagrammable, but not. Like, too Instagrammable, but it absolutely is. And though vacation destinations might be beholden to ongoing travel restrictions these days, or maybe you're not comfortable venturing much farther than your own state lines, as suitcase options abound. Even the most cursory search for a good carry-on turns up a bewildering mixture of products from established luggage brands, to agile fashion houses, to venture capital-infused juggernauts. These days, it seems like everyone is trying to sell you a carry-on. Our team research and best advice of experts, we have select 3 best carry-on luggage in 2023. For you, the link of the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you want more interesting product reviews, visit our GuideKnight YouTube channel.
Shopping with GuideKnight as. Let's start with our top picks. Number 3. Briggs & Riley Spinners.
Outsider handle. Provides optimal capacity and a flat packing surface inside to minimize wrinkling. World's only one-touch CX expansion. Increases packing capacity when you need more space. Simply press CX buttons and pull up sides to expand. Once ready, zip closed and push down to compress. Tri-fold garment folder. With foam roll bar neatly holds 1 to 2 suits and prevents wrinkling. Power pocket. Conveniently store battery pack and cell phone for charging on the go. Discreet features. Hideaway ID tag and speed through pocket with orange lining visually informs you that the pocket is opened.
Number 2. Travelpro Platinum Elite.
Expandable carry-on spinner suitcase with external USB port and dedicated power bank pocket meets FA regulations for carry-on and checked baggage. Power bank not included. Precision glide system delivers precise control. An effortless roll on 8 Magnetrack self-aligning spinner. Wheels led by a height-adjustable power scope handle with comfortable contour grip. Drop-in, fold-out suitor keeps clothes wrinkle-free. Interior tie-down system includes built-in accessory pockets and TSA-compliant, removable quart-sized wet pocket for toiletries. Leather top and side carry handles plus bottom cup provide carrying options.
Number 1. Samsonite Freeform Spinner Wheels Carry.
21-inch spinner luggage maximizes your packing power and meets most carry-on size restrictions for those traveling domestically and looking to stay light. Packing dimensions: 19.5 inches by 14.5 inches by 10.0 inches. Overall dimensions: 21.25 inches by 15.25 inches by 10.0 inches, 6.5 pounds. 10-year limited warranty. Samsonite products are rigorously tested to ensure our products meet stringent standards. This bag comes with a 10-year warranty against defects in materials and workmanship. Recessed TSA combination lock provides security when checked belongings. Cases expand for added packing capacity. Ultra-light, ultra-strong shells withstand the rigors of modern travel.
You are new here, subscribe our channel and like the video.